Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Happy St. Patrick's
The day
Day.
we are all Irish, including Grace Derocha, registered dietitian, diabetes educator, and national spokesperson for the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics. Man, I should be getting that right. I love the inspiration behind this soup. So tell us about it a little bit.
Yes. So full disclosure, I love stuffed cabbage.
Yeah.
I think it's delicious. I think it's a great way to use cabbage. I love cabbage.
Yeah.
But I also hate wrapping them. I think it's a pain.
It is hard. It's hard. You know, it's a little labor intensive.
Yes.
So you figured out how to make it easier.
I did. So we have created a soup. It is an unstuffed cabbage soup, and it really does taste like it. And of course, I added more vegetables in.
Hey, never judging you for that.
Thanks.
If you can sneak them in, let's do it.
Yeah.
Right? All right, so tell us how this goes.
Gosh, and the layers of flavor. So onion will go in.
Okay, a little garlic.
Some garlic that'll go in. So you will cook this till soft, and then you'll also add your beef and turkey in here.
Okay, so we're pretending we're here. Yeah.
Doing that. Let that all kind of meld together. Flavors, boom, boom, boom.
Yeah.
So yum. Wait till the
Great way to start.
Yep. Brown. Yeah. I wish you guys could.
I
actually,
know.
the garlic and the onions really smell good.
Like it does smell good, right? Yeah.
So, and then on this side, once we're done, everything's brown. It's a one pot.
I love it. I love it.
You get to add everything else in. We diced up the cabbage. You know, sometimes they're bigger pieces than smaller, but
you know, it's all okay,
do.
right? Yeah.
We have some celery.
Okay. All of our green vegetables to go with the theme of the
we have some
holiday.
carrots.
And then orange, of course, too. All the colors, right? They're perfect.
We have some tomatoes.
Okay.
This is a large can of diced tomatoes.
Okay, perfect.
You could get the roasted ones if you wanted to add a little heat.
Sure. Tomato juice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tomato juice, vegetable juice. I actually got a spicy version.
Oh, I like
feel
that.
It
A little extra kick.
It's a little fun.
Okay.
And it's not too spicy, right? Just a little bit more flavor.
Just
uncooked rice or quinoa.
Okay.
Or whatever kind of rice you want to use.
Some sort
of
grain.
Cook in with the liquid.
Okay.
So one thing to be aware of, sometimes when I make this, I feel like the rice keeps soaking up
all the liquid. Yeah.
So you might have to, I've done it a couple ways. I've done it where I add the rice in just before I serve. Okay. I've done it this way because I feel like the rice picks up really nice flavor.
And you're gonna get the flavor here.
Add more broth.
So it's best to cook it in there than cook it separately, but you can do it either way. Just keep extra broth handy, I guess, is probably the message.
So if someone is vegetarian or vegan, you know, instead of using beef and or turkey, they can use, you know, their favorite soy crumbles or beans. Same thing, this is a beef.
Beans would probably be a great addition.
Or a great addition, yeah. This is gonna take
and
forever
vegetable
here.
broth, yeah.
So this is the beef broth that we're adding, but you can use vegetable broth, boom. And then,
I love, there's always a substitute, right?
Yes. I know, I feel like it feels like a lot of ingredients, but I swear it's worth it. The tomato paste, yum.
Oh yeah.
Just, you know, adds a little bit of acid and flavor.
Yeah. Is that soy sauce?
Nope.
Oh.
You're gonna make fun of me? Can you say this word? Worcestershire.
Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire.
I always laugh because that word is hilarious to me because I can never say it right. I always see it and panic.
Don't panic, I'm here for you. I'll say it. Worcestershire.
Paprika and thyme.
Okay.
Boom.
Bay leaves, don't forget the bay leaves.
Yes. I like to add a couple of these bad boys in. So, we're here.
This.
We let it simmer. You can let it simmer for as long as you like to it builds flavor.
That's the beauty of a soup. Throw it in the pot and let it sit all day.
Right? It's almost like better the next day.
Yeah,
right?
Absolutely. Let those flavors meld.
So what we've done here is not only created something that can help celebrate St. Patrick's Day, but it's really full of good nutrition. And March is such a weird month. Sometimes a little bit cold still, so soup is...
Sometimes it's snowing like crazy, right?
So soup is a great way to fuel your body. Lots of good nutrition for us.
I'm gonna say there's never a bad time for soup. I'll eat soup in the middle of summer.
Yeah.
But I love this. I love this recipe. Happy St. Patrick's Day, my dear friend.
St. Patrick's Day.
Oh yeah, here's the finished product, right?
Here's the finish, but right before you serve, squeeze a little lemon.
Okay.
It just like adds acid, pops flavor.
Okay.
Trust me, do that.
I do. I trust you implicitly. Of course, we'll put this recipe on our website, and we have to give a big shout out to Kids Food Basket letting us use their beautiful kitchen here so we can create all of these fabulous recipes. Grace, thank you so much.
Thank you.